Okay, so this is a pretty boring pic. See, first of all, I'm using a very low resolution pic, so that I can show you how you can apply this trick to any sort of resolution, either be it high resolution or be it any low resolution pic. Okay, so let's see how we can make it interesting. First, what I'll do is I'll just boost some of the yellows or reds. Maybe I'll use this curve. I'll go to the red. It's too much. It's too much. I don't want it too much. Just little tiny bit. This is okay. Yes, there's a subtle difference, very subtle. I'm putting a little bit more than it's needed so that you can see it on the YouTube screen, because sometimes what happens is if the effect is too subtle, it doesn't shows up properly. So I'll just boost it a little bit. Not this one, sorry, the red channel, of course. This is okay. Yes, fine. Make a merge layer, convert it to smart object. Now here comes the actual trick. Let's go inside the smart object, layer, nope, not layer, image adjustments, and HDR toning. Okay, yes, okay, that's cool. I'll just increase the vibrance just a little bit, and maybe saturation to 16 maybe. Okay, so this is my sort of preset that I have made. You can just copy these numbers, but I'm not sure whether it'll be working on each and every pic. It depends, because each and every pic has different intensities of light and shadows and color. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, and I'll close this too. Save, yes, and it gets updated. Heaven and hell difference, but this is not what we want. There's a bit more to go. Go to hard light. Oh my god, this is so nasty. This is not looking good. Put down the opacity, complete 0, increase it slowly and gradually till it looks good, till we get proper color where the colors are not burning out, the highlights are cool. Okay, let's make it 46. That's okay. Yeah, this is okay. Now I want some highlights to be spread over here. So what I'll do is I'll go to this curves. I'll just boost the all over intensity just a bit, not too much. Go to the reds and I'll boost the reds over here a little bit. Okay, that's cool. Inverts this. Let's take the brush and I'll brush it over here. Just slow dabs. Just a little bit over here, not too much. This is too much, I suppose. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so we have the highlights, and I I would create one more layer, and I'll do is I'll take this particular color a bit orangish, maybe a bit more orangish. Yes, this is okay. I'll tap it just over here and maybe overlay, but not too much, just a little bit. Yes, 25%. So this was the before, this is the after. Still we are not done. Now what I'll do is I'll again create a merge layer. I'll create a smart object out of this. I'll go to the filter and high pass. I'll just give it a good amount of radius, 3.5. Yeah, I know it's too much, but we need that, trust me. Go to the hard light again. Okay, this is too much, right? Let it be, trust me, let it be. Now what I'll do is I'll create one more merge layer over this smart object again. Now this time I'll go to the Gaussian blur and blur it beautifully. I want it too much. I wanted too much blurred content over here. This is okay. 6. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, now put a mask and inverse it. Nope, 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 nope. We will not inverse it. What we're gonna do is we will take this blur okay. So till here we are done. We have this before, we have this after. Now over this layer we'll create a merge layer. After creating the merge layer, make it a smart object, go to filter and just go to blur, Gaussian blur, and just till we have the dreamy blur kind of a look. You know, the motive is to make a difference between this particular dimension and this dimension. Okay, so we have this blur over here. Now let's put a negative mask. It's okay, cool. Control Z. Now what I'll do is I'll just put a mask and remove the blur from this particular area because I don't want this dimension to be blur. Okay, so now you can see how the inside area is making a difference. I want this frame to be blurred, of course. Yes, this is okay. Now the inside is too much blur, so what we can do is we can just decrease the opacity of the blur amount, increase it, keep it increasing till it looks good, dreamy and fantasy kind of a thing. Okay, this is good, 79%. So you can see the interior has a different look, and this particular dimension, which is the supposed to be the exterior, has a different kind of a look. So now as we are done, the last touch is go to the curves, just give it a little boost from normal to put it to luminosity. Yes, we are done. That's it. This was the before, very dull, very boring, simple, and this is after. Huge difference, right? Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much. I'll try to bring more interesting contents for you guys. Okay, I hope you might learn something out of it. Okay, thank you so much guys.